2026 can be your best year. Imagine ending 2026 with more focus, more growth, more money, more success than ever before. It is possible, but only under one condition: your habits. Hey guys, in today's episode, I'm going to share with you the 6 powerful habits that successful people use to build their mindset, their life, and their businesses. If you want 2026 to be different, you must become different. Let's do it. Habit number 1: prioritize your health. Here is the thing: if I give you all the success, all the money, all the fame, and I took your health, would you enjoy it? Absolutely not, right? So this is the reason why the first priority in 2026 should be your health. You must be careful and be obsessed with becoming healthy in this year. And for 2 reasons. The first one is there is no point for becoming successful, for having that money, for having that fame, when you cannot enjoy it, when you cannot even travel in the holidays, doing crazy things, driving fast cars, going on hiking, swimming, doing all those activities that give you the reward for all your hard work and the journey that you want building to get yourself to become successful. There is no point if you're gonna get there having that money, having that success, and you are not healthy. So there is no point from the first place to become successful. You need to be healthy to enjoy your success. Imagine you are successful, you having money, you have a lovely family, you have a child, and you can't do activities with your child. You can't run with your child. You can't get down to pick up your kid. You can't do all those activities with the family because you are not healthy. How that sounds? It sounds awful, isn't it? So if you don't want to be healthy for yourself, just be healthy for the people that you love. They deserve it. They deserve you to be healthy around them so they can enjoy their life with you. The other reason is execution. If you are not healthy, you can't do the work. Health gives you more energy. You need to work 14, 18 hours a day on your business, or you work full time in a job and you come home and you have to work on your side hustle. And all these actions that you need to take, it requires energy. And if you're not healthy, you're not gonna have that energy. Therefore, you cannot take actions. You cannot go from 20% to 60% to 80% to 120%. You will get stuck because you don't have energy to do the work. Productivity, getting the things done, taking action requires help. And if you look around, you're gonna see the most successful entrepreneurs, the people who are success, are in a good shape and in health. And trust me, it's not just by accident. They know what his health is for. They know the value of how being healthy can help you to achieve great things and to enjoy great things as well. So make health is your priority in 2026. Habit number 2, create your environment for greatness. You can't plant a negative seed and expect a positive tree. You can't achieve great goals, make your dreams become reality while you are drawing into negativity, drama, hate, jealousy, and envy. You need to control your environment. It's your time now to control your environment. So the solution is, your environment can be the people that you hang around with, the content you consume every day on social media, the TV, the news, the articles you read. You spend hours on watching videos on social media. Sometimes you feel not as good as you've been before you start watching those videos. Maybe you tell yourself, oh my gosh, this social media is chaos. There is so much things going on. It's affecting your environment. It's pulling you down. So how we can fix this? Start unfollowing people that they don't add value to your life. They don't give you the right information. They don't make you feel better. Unfollow them. And whenever you watch a video that doesn't suit your dreams, your goals, your personal development, click not interested. And this is what I do. I unfollow people all the time. Whenever I see some videos that doesn't help my personal development, doesn't help me to learn something, doesn't add any value to my life, to my business, I press not interested. And I keep doing it all the time. I force algorithm to give me the videos that will help me to become a better person, that will help me to learn something valuable, that will help me in my life, in my business. And you can do the same. Start unfollowing people, clicking not interested on all the videos that has nothing to do with your life, with your dreams, with your goals, with your business. By doing this, 20 days, 30 days, you're gonna start seeing how positive you become, how things you learn. There is so much things you can learn in the short videos. There is so much things you can learn in posts. Whenever you are on social media, your mind is learning things, even you're not noticing it. When you hear something, when you watch something, when you read something, your mind is working, is learning those things. So it's much better to make whatever you watch has something to do with your personal development, with your goals, with your business. Look around you. Are people pushing you to get better, or they are dragging you down into the negativity? If you hang around with people who make excuses, who complain, who don't want to achieve something, who call you're crazy for trying to achieve these things, you are with the wrong people, and you are slowly becoming one of them. So the solution is you cut those people from your life. Start looking for the people who, whenever you talk to them, whenever you have a conversation with them, they inspire you, they motivate you, they make you want to do more work, they make you somehow believe more in yourself and in the vision that you have. That's the right people that you should hang around with in 2026. And guess what? If those people are around you, if you can't find those people where you live, you don't have to be around people in the same place. There is internet. Find people who have the same passion as you, who have the same goals, the same dreams, who have crazy dreams and they want to build something crazy from nothing. Find those people. That's the people that you should follow on social media. That's the people that you should send them messages and get to know those people. Marissa said, if you are the smartest person in the room, you are in the wrong room. When you surround yourself with good people, your standards goes high. Your mindset starts changing without even noticing. Your conversations start changing. You start seeing things that you don't see before. You start believing in the things that you might not even believe before, just because of those people around you. It's very dangerous when you hang around people who are not pushing you forward, who are not forcing you to get better, to get closer to your dreams and goals. It's dangerous. And 2026 is your year to cut those people off your life. It's so simple. Stop hanging around with those people. Design your environment for success. Put pictures on your place where you work. Put your dream car, put your dream house, put your favorite place that you want to go for holiday, put quotes, put everything that whenever you look at that thing, you get inspired, you get motivated to do the work. If your place dirty, clean it. Always make that space where you work on your dreams clean and motivated. You just look at it and be like, oh, I should go and do that work. You look at that picture and be like, I need to work more. I need to save more money. I need to make more money. That's by going through all these three elements: the content you watch, the people you hang around with, and the space where you work. If you control these things, you're gonna create environment for being a great person by the end of 2026. Go for it from now. Habit number 3, become obsessed with learning. In 2026, I want you to put your head down and start learning. Accept the fact that you're going to be a student for the rest of your life in your entrepreneurship journey. Accept this fact and get excited to learn more. Study other business owners, people who do great things, the people who build a successful business, people who had a successful life. Start studying those people. Start analyzing those people, how they did it, how they go from here to here to here. That's what you need to learn. Start learning skills that will add more value to what you do in your life. Start learning sales, communication, psychology of money. There are a lot of things to learn. Every day is an opportunity to learn something so you can earn something. Entrepreneurs who stop learning, stop earning. I like learning new things every day that will make me get a better person, make me get closer to my vision, make me get closer to the people that I want to be around to. That's my goal of learning. I don't just learn things for nothing. I have a goal behind it. And the question that I ask myself all the time, is this thing that I'm going to learn has something to do with my goals, with my dreams, with my personal developments, with my health, with my business? If it's yes, I go forward and learn it. If it's not, I will never spend a second on that thing because it's just a waste of time for me. I'm so picky when it comes to the things that I learn. If you come and you give me a book to read, I will ask this question. If this book is helping me somehow in my life, I will read it. If it has nothing to do with my life, with my business, I'm not gonna read it because it will be just a waste of time for me. And that's how I do learning, and it is working for me. I'm learning so many things. I'm still learning, and the more I learn, the more I get excited to get deeper in learning about that stuff that related to my life, to my business. The habit number 4, execute before you overthink. Action creates clarity, overthinking creates chaos. You don't figure out the things by thinking, you start figuring out the things by taking the action. Execution gives you a feedback, gives you a data that you can analyze, you can study and see why you're doing good, why you're not doing good, and based on that feedback, you know what action you need to take in the next step. Some entrepreneurs fail not because they don't have ideas or they don't have the skills, but because they hesitate, they doubt, they overthink, they start creating all those scenarios before they happen. They start seeing all the negative sides. What if this happens? What if this happens? What if this happens? What if I will lose my money? What if I waste my time? What if people told me this? They start overthinking that thing. Therefore, they couldn't start or they couldn't move forward. They stopped, they gave up. So you got an idea on what you want to do. The first thing that comes in your mind that you should do, take immediately action on that thing. Just take action. It doesn't matter how messy it is. It doesn't matter how bad it is. Just take the action. And when you take the action, the feedback that you're going to get from it, the results, the data, is going to tell you what you should do next. And you're going to start taking action based on the feedback that you get. And you doing it, you're taking action. 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, the thing starts being clear in your head. Yes, this is what I'm going to do. This is where it's going to take me. But if you didn't take the action in the beginning, if you start trying to create everything in your head, you will never do it. Because you're going to create all those scenarios in your head that are not even going to happen. But only the action makes everything clear. Habit number 5, master one skill at a time. Start 2026 with narrowing your focus. You have many goals to achieve, many skills to learn. Don't try to do everything at once. You're going to start a business and you have so many skills you need to learn. You have so many questions you need to find the answers for. And if you try to do everything at once, sales, marketing, content, everything, you try to do everything at once, you're going to get overwhelmed. You're going to see yourself not getting anywhere. You're going to go from nowhere to nowhere. You can't chase 2 rabbits at the same time. This applies to every skill you want to learn. Focus on one skill, master that skill, be comfortable with it, and then move to another one. You might think that if you start learning one skill at a time, you're going to go slow. But believe me, trying to learn everything at once won't take you anywhere. You will stuck in where you are. And you feel yourself overwhelmed doing all the hard work, but there is no result. Because your mind cannot get all the different informations and you act on those informations in the same time. We do better as a human when we focus on one thing. You give all your energy, all your focus, all your clarity to one thing. That's when you go fast. You learn that thing and you go back and you see another thing and you give it all and you go all in one thing. That's the right way. So let me know in a comment, by the way, what kind of skills do you want to learn in 2026? Habit number 6, protect your energy like money. Start treating your energy the same way you treat your money. Valuable, limited, and worth to protect. So how to protect your energy? Avoid every toxic conversation that makes you feel angry or makes you feel stressed or exhausted. Avoid getting pulled into negative conversations that has nothing to do with your growth, with your personal development. Avoid negative people. Not everyone will lift you up. Some people will pull you down to the negativity no matter how positive you are around them. The more you positive want to be around them, the more they want to bring you down to the negativity. You need to be careful with those people. You need to stop hanging around those people. I know it might sound harsh, but you need to stop being around those people. You want to be great. You want to be positive. You have dreams. You have a clear picture. You need to be positive to get there. If you go around people who make you feel negative, who make you feel worth nothing, you can't achieve this, because the people that you hang around with are affecting you in one way or another. So I have a challenge for you that will help you to protect your energy. Bring a paper, put a list of all the people that you know that make you feel better. The people that when you hang around with, when you have a conversation with, when you share information with, they make you feel like you're valuable. They make you feel seen, heard. They're pushing you to get better. Just being around them make you get excited to do the work, get you believe in what you do, and giving you a positive feedback. Hey, you're not getting there, but you are doing the right things. Keep doing. Hey, I watched what you did. You're doing such a great things. The business that you're trying to build, it's worth it. Just keep doing it. I will be your first customer when you create that service. I'll be your first client when you do this. That's the kind of people you need to be around with. So that list, put all those people that they belong to this category. People who are pushing you to be better, who are making you feel you're worth something. And put another list, the dark list, for all the people that you when you get a message from them, when they call you, you look at your phone and you don't want to answer that message, or you don't want to answer that call. That's the people that you need to write on the other list. People who call you only when they need something from you. People, whenever you tell them that stuff, or what they say, are you crazy? Look where you are. Look where you were born. Look who you belong to. You are from the third country. You don't speak multiple languages. Your parents are poor. Come on. Are you crazy? Who you think you are? Those people, you need to write them in that list. And the second step, you give up on those people on the second list. There is no nice way to say it. You don't hang around those people anymore. Avoid their calls, avoid their messages. If you are brave enough, tell them, I will be busy in the next 6 months. I might not see you or talk to you for the next 6 months. I'm super busy. It depends how you want to do it. Or just avoid their calls, their messages, and hopefully those people will understand that you're not available anymore and they give up on trying to get rich to you. That's the only way you can do it. You need to go to 2026 with the list of the people who are helping you to be a better person, who are helping you, pushing you, believing you that you are creating something. And be around those people. Those people bring a good energy that will help you to do more. Imagine if you're trying to build a business and you hang around with other 2 or 3 people who want to build a business. Imagine how the conversation is going to be. Imagine what energy is going to be around when you sit down, guys, together, and you're speaking about the business. You speak about yours. They speak about theirs. It's so different when you sit around those people who complain, who don't want to do anything, except they tell you, well, look around you, what you're trying to do. I don't think it's a great idea. It's hard, I know. It's hard because you have some friends, your best friends, that you know since you were a kid. You went to the school together and you grew up and you're still best friends. And you don't serve that person doesn't serve you, because you were friends since you were kids. You're not kids now anymore. You are adults. You want to build your future, and those people you're not matching with. But you can't give up on that friendship because you were kids. You grew up as a kid. You have to. Thank you guys for investing your time in watching this episode. I believe 2026 is going to be a great year for us. I have that belief, I have that feeling. 2026 is the year of going faster, is the year of achieving great things, is the year of being a better person. I believe in this. Do you believe in this? Let me know in the comments. Take care of yourself, take care of your life, and I will see you in the next time.